Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Today's video is a remake of an older video that I made in 2019. Qigong for the hips, the knees, and the lower back. I know that you guys have been enjoying and practicing this video for a few years now. Hello Altai. And I thought, why not give it a little bit of fresh upgrade, taking it outside. So I hope you guys enjoyed just as much as you did the other one. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin.
But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice.
So let's begin by circling the hips. Keep your feet firmly planted on the ground, about shoulder width apart. You can keep your hands on your lower back or let them rest by the side. Just see how you feel today. This is great exercise if you are sitting a lot during the day, if you're driving a lot. Just helps to get some movement in the hip joints. It's good for the lower back. When you're ready, change the direction. I've been doing this exercise for so many years. I don't even feel like I need to explain it or give it some talk up. But if you're new to my channel, if you're new to Qigong, this is one of the best exercises, easy exercises that you can incorporate into your daily practice. Very good. We're going to slow down, coming back to center. And let's warm up the lower back through the Qigong massage, direct application, using our hands and the palms as heated pads, creating warmth through friction, improving circulation to the area. Go ahead and rub the tailbone. A few more with a little more firm pressure. Good. Relax. From here, we're going to do the figure of 8 as we continue to move and open up through the hip joints. Keep your spine nice and straight. See if you can relax through the lower back and pay attention to this motion, how it feels in your body. Communicating and listening all the time. When you're doing this exercise, I don't recommend pushing too hard. You know, sometimes you're trying to sway to get that figure of 8. It can put a lot of pressure on your knee joints. So keep it soft, keep it flowy, understanding the range that feels good. You don't have to do it with your hands, but you can. Just get that movement, get that fluidity through your joints, get that suppleness. Very, very good. Coming back to center. Relax here. Bring your feet together. Make sure you feel nice and steady. We're going to go down and tap the knees. See if you can release any tension from your lower back. So sending all that effort to your legs. Feel your muscles vibrating, loosening up. Feel a pleasant stimulation on the inner leg, especially around the knee joint. Points around the knee joints are quite useful to keep your joints healthy. Pause and release. Just take a moment here. Coming down again and tap. Just tap, tap, tap. As often as you can. It might not match my rhythm. You can have your own rhythm as long as you're allowing that tapping to happen, allowing the muscles to vibrate. Pause and relax. You can feel there's movement. You can feel energy awaken. We do one more time. Tap, tap, tap. Very important to eliminate any stress from the lower back. You feel nice and strong, steady on your feet. Good. Pause and reset. So all the warmth that you generated through muscle work, through that tapping, allow it to spread smoothly up and down. Then bend your knees, step to the back, flex your ankle and stretch down the back of your leg. That feels good after long hours of sitting. Coming back and repeat. Going forward. Going back. Take your time to feel that stretch deeper into your body. Open yourself up. Good. Going down. Beautiful. Coming back. From here, just let it relax a little. We're moving fairly quickly, just making sure that we've got the time to actually appreciate and experience the effect on the body while we're doing it. And then get yourself on one leg, open up through the hip. Another fantastic exercise if you're sitting a lot or if you generally have a lot of stagnation in your hip joints, so you don't have a good circulation coming to your legs. Open up. Good. 2 more. Last one. Bring it down. Nice and steady, nice and firm. Open up. Oh, yeah. Giving you balance. And twice more. Yep. Bring it down. Good. And of course, you want to relax and loosen up all the muscles that you've just worked. So shake it spontaneously, intuitively, to the side, to the back, free up lots of space. Free up your joints, relax your muscles. This is done for pure comfort and enjoyment. So feel free to do that and feel that, experience that. Good. Bring yourself back and see how your lower body feels. And a little bit on the lower back. I like the combination of the forward extension. Open your chest, draw your shoulders to the back, and feel that mild compression in your lower back area. It's like a cobra position in yoga when you get to compress the lower back and then release. Feel what's happening now. And again, push forward. And release. Twice more like that on your own. Release. That should feel different. So do your best to open that up by giving way in your knees and dropping your tailbone down. Once more. And coming out. Good stuff. Keep comfort in your lower back. You go forward with a straight back. Let your hands come down and place them for more support and stability. Reaching through the crown of the head forward, through the tailbone to the back. Your back feels like a valley, nice and flat, 90-degree angle. I mean, from the back to the legs. And then slowly come out, unlocking your knees, relaxing. So 3 more times on your own. We're going to slide right forward. Keep lengthening through your spine, back of the neck. And then slowly come up and relax. 2 more on your own. Going forward. These are basic stretches, but quite impactful, quite effective when done mindfully, with lots of attention to the body. Relax. 1 more time, going forward. Beautiful. Slowly come back up. Relax. And let's take a couple of deep, full breath here. Inhale, open up. Exhale, relax and soften. Inhale, open your chest, reach up. Exhale, allow yourself to release, to relax. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. A moment to be present, to be aware, to experience your body, to be aware of your breath, to connect to your breath. Once more, breathing in and breathing out. Relax your hands by the side. Bring your feet together. You can stay here for longer to enjoy the bodily sensations, to enjoy being present with your body if it feels good. I hope it does, especially your lower back area and your lower body, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Let me know in the comments below this video if you enjoyed this routine, if you got value from the exercises, and don't forget to support the channel, subscribe to not miss out any future videos and uploads. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you in the next video.